Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to generate shareable link in Google Forms. Let's get started. Take a blank form, create the form, give the title name, and create the question. Go to top of head and click the send option, and you can send it via email, or you can generate shareable link. Just copy and paste anywhere, or you can generate embedded code. Just put the white and height and copy the link. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.